What's up, everybody? Hope everybody is, being safe during this corona outbreak. It's pretty crazy out here. Um, you know, Quarantine, everybody stay at home, no car shows, nothing, everything's canceled. So just make sure you're being safe out there. What are we doing today? Well, I forgot to mention, I'm not sure if you guys seen I mentioned it in my previous video explaining what happened to Ruby with the bumper thing that's going on there. I forgot to mention that when I hit the street sign, the street sign actually ended up like slicing, like clean cut one of the wires that I had for the Underglow. I have Underglow in this car. So all the corners or every side of the Underglow works except for this driver's side doesn't work at all. So I'm gonna be replacing the old cut up wire or tube with the brand new Underglow. So I'll have all four sides lit up. So it should be fairly simple, just a little bit of wiring, routing it so it makes sure it doesn't pinch anywhere, and then just turning it on and hopefully it works. So it should be nice and simple. So let's get started. Boom. Got the old one out. Oh. Yeah, and this thing is honestly not rocket science. If you're buying this for the first time and putting it on, if you can read English and follow instructions, this is a piece of cake. So all I'm doing is just replacing a damaged one. So that's a walk in the park for me. But yeah, man, I hope everybody's safe and try not to stress too much over this corona situation. I recently got laid off from my job, so I've just been trying to find something to do, trying to find a job in the meantime. I've just been working on the car and enjoying the time off and stuff. But yeah, man, try not to get too desperate. Secure all three sides. So this had it right, dangling up right there. Hey, don't know where I was going, but they're right here. But yeah, people have their opinions about Underglow. Oh, it's ricer. Oh, nobody likes it. Oh, yada, yada, yada. But honestly, I like it. And if done tastefully, I think it adds a nice little extra flair to the car. So, but once again, it's personal preference. So, I'm not saying you have to do it, just saying that I like it. But what the heck? I had it right the first time. Oh my god. Hate. It's like the flipping when you're trying to put the stupid USB cord into a USB slot. You always have it right the first time, you flip it and it's wrong, and then you had it right the first time, and you're like, wow. Yeah. Why is this not? Am I doing? What the heck? NANI? Why is this not? What? It's supposed to be clicking. But this don't. Oh my god. Wow. Oh, I just need to cut the ends off of that. That'll be good. Now we move on to the front side. I honestly forgot where this even plugs into. Find a way to route these wires in such a way they don't. What the heck is it? Alright guys, so after I kind of took a break, I was on the phone and, you know, lost track of time, but I was able to finish everything up. So this is practically what I have. I have it coming through the bottom. Actually, let me see. I have it coming through the bottom. I have the wire routed there. You follow it. I actually took this off. I'm not sure if that's a good idea or not, but if I come up with anything better than that, then I'll figure it out. But for now, that'll work. I have that coming through there, and then I have it coming up through here. So this wire actually would be covered with the inner fender plastic, so you wouldn't even see that. But this would have to be buttoned in, so I'd have to readjust that when I put that back. So I have that going through there, poked it through the little hole, and then I also tied it up a little bit right here. So that's pretty much what we got. And let's see what happens when I turn this light on. So I'm gonna go ahead and lower this because I'm practically done with that. So when I turn this on, I figured out this issue here. Look at that. Half of it works, the other half doesn't. And you know what it is, or what I think it is? Those frayed wires in the front. Since this piece over here, the driver's side piece connects to this front piece, and these wires are frayed. So when I cycle through the colors, you'll see this is not right. Look, this is yellow in the front, and this one right here is green. Why? Most likely because of those frayed wires. That's purple and that's blue, and only half of it works. So red doesn't work, so I'm most likely gonna have to replace that front one, and hopefully that fixes everything. But for now, at least we have, you know, something. But yeah, you're probably wondering like, whoa, what is he sitting in? This is actually an S2K. I will explain a little bit more about this in another video. Yeah, if you've been watching the channel, checking out my videos, like what you see, feel free to comment, you know, give me your thoughts about future possible video ideas. Making content while the quarantine is kind of tough if you don't have like something to work on, or, you know, no car shows, nothing really going for it. I will say this though, I actually do photography, so eventually I will make some photography car slash car videos, as far as taking photo shoots. I'll probably put some up on the screen right here, certain cars, or you know, how do I edit them, Lightroom workflow, and things like that. But yeah, If you like the channel, you know, give it a thumbs up, whatever, subscribe if you want. You don't have to. Nobody's putting a gun to your head. But yeah, man, hope everybody stays safe and enjoy the rest of your day or